This is Ghana Movies TV. Subscribe our YouTube channel on Ghana Movies TV for your documentary, movies, television programs, and many more. Enjoy the show.
The time the righteous one has given to me, as a demon of grace, almost at hand, I cannot fold my hands and allow turns to happen. I am Lucifer, the king and the ruler, of the whole universe. Although I have powers, but a day shall come when my powers shall be powerless. Who shall I send onto the world? Who shall I send to win souls for me? For hellfire is not meant for us alone. Who shall I send?
Great one.
Are you ready for this? Assignment?
Great one.
Yes, Nakita. Nakita me smile. Now I call. Force them to backslide. I'm going to give you enough authority that when you speak, it shall be established. I am Lucifer, the prince of darkness, the controller of the universe. Today by authority, I empower you. Go and destroy. Go and kill.
I'm here to say.
You say what? I don't understand what you're saying.
Where are you going?
Why?
I want to apply your legs.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
Independent.
busu a wo charge no si apie na o dia be won your friends are very prayer udu pepe so bi o bia ashaw swata abere mu de wo kadio na ato ne empire on carry na mu on ne rade kasa so be na bia do so ba en consider ben na ko so anonsa no so ko enye sana manu na menye ko insani na menye sabia na mu ma hore ho na shall and I believe I am free. That's your barrenness shall be broken in Jesus' name. Hallelujah. Oh, here be a barrenness, no problem. It shall be broken. I see who going in a home war. Hallelujah. Sri Lanka, training Katamu, Honey Pasha Mafuma, Rama Makoma Shamo, Yasamata, and no, you never took my tongue for him. I did be a Numibia in the name of Jesus, but the reason of the anointing, that yoke shall be broken. Jesus. I really want to catch you and say, I will see a bomb pile in Anita. And then they come. Because National and Makwa is a lady into your smart. And I believe it's anointing about them and it doesn't matter what the prophets and the people have said concerning your life. That anointing up the power and authority to open any womb that is closed. Mumra. Stop it down, sorry, penny for Mumra. In the name of Monty also. Ni sana chene mayeno. Bible says God works according to time and seasons. Nani broma nyema nyina tronsa nyema mpaye. In the name of Jesus, I open every womb. May Jehovah God turn your mistakes into miracles, and I set you free in the name of Jesus. Yes, Lord, mpaye. Yes, Lord. Leave us sata. Now, yes, may that yoke be broken. You are free. 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 Receive it. Receive it. Receive it. In the name of Jesus. Thank you, Father.
Jessica, Master me mobo. Jessica. Shenne nipa domia sorry them. Men kwan ye frɛ me begina domanim ye bompa ma. Ye pa ye de ye. Nenso botaya no nti ye bompa ma me no. Jessica. Da ben erade be twɛn. Da ben wo twɛn erade wo twɛn emre ben. Na wasue me. Nita unto obi ade o. Oyesa na mera ho unto obi ade. To abeda o kase tua no. Sugu nyankopɔ so. Ene ne ntentama ni eden ya no den so. So anche abaya ba ko a. Sere me. Driver unim no. No me aton yensem ma ne sa dai. Yenru fie ni anto aso wate wo hema ba. Wate fo yemmompa ye nyame be ye. Ono kwa ne tumi ade nyina ye. Da be Jessica da be. Anita. Me so pese me cho se da kro no nyankopon se e be so. E be so sa wo twɛn nanim dia. Anita, ebeba wati be man wo hawo Nicola me dia na so da be na mentena senta ofa ba mu me ansa na te se won hawo pante Anita wo wo yasa po
Nsambafua me beria na makuna maseri asini panina me beria
Jessica. Jessie. Annie. Yeah. Jessie. Annie. Bantale papa papa. Let's say, ayo, 1, 2, 3. Rama, me linie, person and Show the rules, you know. I need tissue, and I'm pass. Hey, why, Maba? And be there, some of them. Ade.
Beto hana mo wana hayaye.
Ene beto me tin bra.
No why you sister bia be catch me say asofufuo bi aba ha say for susu sorry for so for on dey adom na ya wo. Ode ne nsato wo ye fusu ba nyem wo. Waya ade oni, waya ade ne yenko ebasenade. Ebasenade. Waya nsate nipa wu. Waya nsate nipa wu.
Kristo amasum no nyenne. So ntie mi ayo no anase. Mimi nya Kristo ho. Ensori nko sunsum sorry so for say. Ade
Bible see yen so ahunhum nyina awe. Ni ye papa ewom no ne ya grapo no. Sole waka ani ni yenko wopewumpo wonko.
Jessica. So for James kwa tese makoba bi sa akra ne bubefu ba. Pastor James otese makoba bi an bubefu. Again no. Enyemra me matua me tight fie piechi.
Jessica
Abompaye ato offering ahodo pledges, meetings, Sundays, evening services, Fridays, all nights. Obre when you mention a drumra Yesu Kristo ba be shen one munyam me twene mremu. Obe shen one munyam no. Afa na me kwana me.
Tina mena enti monya se.
Nakite Sambafua Biberiana Makuna
Masini ni ye womu no. Hey, so for James is say, so for James you talk on that shit you and the bibi be fi ma ba kan fi ma. Jimu mi enu na basna. Uni ade to. Oye ready.
Nakite Sambafua Biberiana Makuna Maseria Sinipanyina Biberiana Nakite Sambafua Biberiana Makuna Maseria Sinipanyina Botaine swell Yeah, me botaine swell Botaine swell Yeah, me botaine swell
Na di onse what's off na message na powerful pa.
Hey. Enne de me hunje bi e be hye ni mu a. Wo ti di obo word.
So we adwuma na me.
O yes question. Mu ta me family drink an o fa.
Say silent.
Jessica ba me ka
Yes. No, so then.
Oni me be din komo bi.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
So I'm saying Yakupon one more oba me wi ase say. So be afraid in any no me did mu kaka.
David Ao.
Nemo obo say o didi agumu. Enam soro. No didi fa form. Na aba so eden everyone.
The baby no woman na menti asi. The
first priority is
when I'm party.
Now, Jessica, bye. My boy, I was a man in the one book. My so a young papa.
Okay.
Or say, or baby, a bit in the aqua.
Baby Bensa.
Mira, I don't have some no mirror. He never fee.
Okay.
And I just said, wait, so sorry, so full. And yet, I feel, yes, what in the Sato of Fuzuna, Abra, Yami, Wobo, and Pano Baba shop.
Sorry, so. Anita, I didn't know what you mean, Mount and Massa Assembly. A fuss of Bafia. I didn't hear. So sorry, so. Exodus chapter 21 going. Oh, the man soon me be fan coming home. What it? Men person me decide in men cancer sem no han chere me bi oda. Men ye bi da.
Ade. Enye pode.
Ewrade. Minim se wo te ase. Wo ya megefo na ungu manim ase nso da biara da.
Robert. Some no can wait and need the assembly. Robert. Robert.
But tiny swell. But tiny swell. Hear me, but tiny swell. But tiny swell.
Now, because I am trying to when I would jam house. So, say yes, I said, for what shall I not show? So, for me, and I am quite. Never did you ask me your own quarter. From the way, not to me, and the friend was another see our nothing. Over China. What is that?
Nakita. 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 Nakita.
Sister Bishop will say, I know.
I mean, my yes, madam for me.
Ah, you know, I was a sister, not Papa, oh, my back, my powerful party. They have a view of you, also for me, and you know the way you want. Oh, she never say, we got your chance to wife. My poor, you'll make it your day out. So, I bet, she must sound sister, must sound so power. What the mama for to do to my change the I walk. Obey young, simple. Okay, what your money for some true food. No more pain. I did channel problem. And I'm catching you. How? My best sister, my best. Oh, why are you? Maria Bibia, a bayam.
Judy, Quapa the Quaffo. Oh, Banana minim did out, so we. The kind, which Nakita. Nakita. What's more you get? What's Nana? Nakita. 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 Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, Rabbi Bompire do about when you are the Shimoja. Bibi biara ode ba ye no ye fadi odin si wo edin no nti amen bawa onyira ye wa ba fi sanse tumi ankasa no de achane kwa Acts chapter 4 verse 12 Bible said neither is there salvation in any other for there is no other name under heaven that has given among men whereby we must be saved and that name is Jesus. Sadino and I'm dear tomorrow. Maybe now, oh, how many years have been piffy? And Yaba war, no 1 hour. And me, I'm near me point on some friend, Sabi making so good. No bad water and Taformian son. Tinedia me de chiche. Benyawdi. Na ukunu fiefo ene pese wanim gu ase. Oma yiwa wodi ane de akwa akoto ko bi podom amena donko num.
Hey. Yes. Jesus.
Nene anadwi mema mabofo akwa akofo awode no e de abro. Kan akoma to yem. Hwe asede ene amane kakra wo ho. Mi akasa me de me nipadua bebo afode na me de aboa wo no watimi anyem na wawo na de show wani wo.
Misha. No antina no eliba sreme. Eliba tinetine yensa wo miso. Me mobo wa ka jara no mobo sede na do yete sreme.
Aya wie de ta. Ye ma wo aside bia wo bia no. Fabe.
Papa to. De masida be brano. Misha. Pompa ese rade be kumata fo ne mase.
Mogwawi. Ye din wo nipa fam.
Hello. Nakita.
Pacho, yo 50 cities, 70 cities, and 100 cities. Pacho, room 2. Pacho, okay, right hand over.
Akite Samba fua Biberiana makuna maseria sini penina Mi berio
Ya na me de pass and sim se hum de beba manim na di yebetu. On Bible say your pastor is the one who watches over your soul. And now, as a Christian, you have to live a Christ-like life. Nani pan shama brag bosu unshia bibi. Now, whenever you see confusion, Sakasakabiana is the work of the enemy. The Bible says the Spirit of the Lord is not altar of confusion. And anytime, whenever you create a vacuum, the enemy will come and fill it. The Bible says, I mean, my brother boy was on them, even though some expectation, it has not been met. But God always work according to his time. Or the nebre me as a pastor and in my chef for in spite of the my warrior, you are still waxing strong in the Lord. That's what I'm looking for. Pastor,
that's a pa na paucho. You can say one my wife from Casa. I am not for sume. I'll say a bar, yeah, no me will be fearing in a ban and oh, a hammer. Could you believe, sir, or call soon suffer be or cross or peba?
Jesus.
Baby Sano.
Anita.
Pastor, name me.
Now, where? Anita. Where dear Radianim? Never allow pressure to take over your life. But the anytime you make a lot of mistakes.
Bible says so
Anita, empire ye bohan. How can your go from fallen angels? Satan na powerful. Bible says angels of light. You became they disguise themselves. With all you know, they will force you to do sacrifices. You be jaro, you be say obi. So, but for the buckets here, and for now, there's only one name and there's only one thing that can save you. That's the name Jesus. I'm disappointed.
So for me, quantum nim how I'm a woman. Me quantum nim at a tea, me jinamo. Me quantum nim me so for. Me quantum nim said the nipa me. Oh, it is a no maybe one that was your mother was a mechanic to the minias and go for us.
Nyamin Kwas no nim ebra. Do I can be brilliant or the best when munyam. In this life, they be America. Me say if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go with Jesus. Mema a bank and tell so. Nyamene bresu ye no. When the appointed time came, Sarah said, "Benana would try when you want to put up power no." Sarah nyinsan wo Isaac. After say, "Rade wa me ho cry yesere." Mani pansere wo ne. Now they will come to you and they will see a living testimony in your life.
Amen.
Anita, since you sort of funny, dear, please, I know them. The umpire. In the name of
Papa says, or John Soccer go no bitra. Now 1 year for 2 months in here. 2 months in here. Mr. Sugar, that's I made for me home. Share, dear. Again. Ha. Tio. And yes, a photo. 1 wire home. And no yana me papa din komo na papa kra ka chem say one more the oil be mame or bompire gusume fam ro na fa bi gusum na dwaye na no bi esu ma hwehwe wa mi hu e je se osi wo ba ko pe o ma ho bi na sense wash papa de share me so na muti na me so ma tia da no wow busuma ni ye ko na nim se sempre no e so sa ba biem na ga be na nim prensa aha prensa won tie e so sa ba na be hu de e ko so mu nsi wo biem e be den on bi bo e so jai washa se se bending enu ya na me papa kasa na papa aba ye ya ise wonsi ho biem se ni se oso bo ade obo ne ho se se na akase wo se se wo se wo kuna busuafon se se de omu mamu ayedin se o mahu se obi ya aboa won ti o ma ye saa miem ti pa bibi ni na ye se obeba abra wo ma so wa wasem abusuafon na ante ana hwe o ma sha guarantee di machi mebo so ma ye o ma dwen se o ma hwe yi a nyame ni pa bi ba beboa wonim bibi said ya woka de na kam nya papa bi an kam pe tu be so hun sisi o fie ni wo kwara mi fi ben kam ba beto ayi bi de akoye mi de anya kam nya me say hu say ade me hu sisi akora de mi kulu ko adwuma to me hu no we kwa ye se we bi a wo fe ko pi no ko ko na ma ne bi a e bu so ko ne de mu we se be ya
Yanko Papa. And I told you to read. That would be a bear. Yanko. The father, Papa, why? Yanko. Papa, this is the last chance. One year century, Nibia. What are you about?
Robert Mawa Kumentu Mene Abraham Nyankupon Isaac Nyankupon and Jacob Nyankupon Me enemy Israel for free Egypt and they won't trap Koko and call Bosha Sasso Kwa Nakoka Chila Pastor Dan say on to whom feet Ababe Shet Ungirimu
Nakite Masemnyo Nakite Samba fwa Miberiana makuna maseri asini penina Miberio Nakite Samba fwa Miberiana makuna maseri asini penina.
Yeah, Chairman. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Chairman. Sir, we catch yourself by next week. The next cycle is coming. Yes, I know. Oh. Police. Oh, boss, don't involve police, please.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm a pen.
How can you walk to someone's office and ask for pen?
Miss I'm a pen.
What is wrong? Why be you man?
In the how you now. I'm a pen.
Only the hammy. Yes, you see you move. With me, office, I'm catch us on in the house. What is wrong with you?
Sure, sir. Coming back.
Nakita.
Oh, madam. 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 Oh, madam. This is serious.
Nakita.
Spiritual market, they say, Bompire. Bible says, once the Lord speaking, but twice we declare that all power. Yes.
In the name of Jesus. To me, Biara, where we are, what we say in the to me, Biara, where we are, I will say in the we command you by the power of God. The Bible says that the name of the Lord is a strong tower. And the Munamudia, as we say it, and Yamunamusa, and Yahumusa, I stand on the word of the Lord. And the spirit that is dwelling in her, and the spirit that is tormenting her, walk out. Out! Out! Come on, walk out in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Lord. Thank you, Lord. We thank you, Lord, for your power. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Father, we give you praise. We thank you for your power. Thank you, we exalt your name. We exalt your name.
Sorry, so for me. Just let me call her. Okay, I say, Mommy, call. Okay, I say, Mommy, call. Mommy, call. Mommy, if I be crazy, call. Come back, Baba. Away, away, and there's a big new near one of my show, and not many to breathe. No, Robert, but
yes, I'm not. Anita.
Who you're better than who we take it say? What was so for farmer? So for I won't pay a man water.
Catastrophe. What's it then? Also, for I don't know. I'm an Huatono.
Ne want to me say.
A Prubi Mutua, the prophet for Abby. Where are the kit to Abby? Where are the kit to Abby? Ye Yano, near Quayan, ye do one Quayanim. And you may be able to walk. It's your man. Never so for me.
Hey, Sister Mavis. Hey. Oh, better.
In the mighty name of Jesus, you know the Simojanim. What was that dear be out the Baham? It didn't and your mouth, amen. I have become a rad in a woos.
So for what?
Dear son,
for me to cry, I check. Your friend of my own back. Before service, I don't for me, your friend of my own back. So for one, what?
About working and no one in a woosing. Come on, to you. 2 persons tell me, say, oh, no, for you, what page and me. Aqualano, Manonda. I do couldn't go on. We are a mistake. Make Mamma Wabo. Me will be whom what do so what be more 50 more. Na mi wura huhu na mi hunu se obi biara ne nsa ehye wawade asa na wawo na se me twa so se ten me ma huhu mu akwankyere ketuwa bi di so na bewo fa ne bo buti se wo ba ma ne tini nta ne no fo no na se mi hunu se wo a wo betimi ahwe oba na
afi ko ta presa ya ne tam
ko
yeah
sabun ko toje
babwana man
bunko toje ya anadai humusuo nyina wahu aboa no wokọ wawo na ekọ dina wahu aboa yi onipa wo be wo be ye fe ache aboa yi we dina wa kire wo se o ba be wo ba bem fe ni ti be fie uni are ho
ukuru anu ni ntoka bia bi
gas wo ho
Sammy. In this cabin, prepare when you're in nation, home pay Bible.
Bible. Yamion no bomb home by. Until how anything? On enemy bambo. Will be any hobby.
Scanner on your eye, no quite for so in your scan. One will be, what's your name? Now, what done us?
Office. No buy. Insurance and coupon their money. I'm sure by the beach. So what is wrong with it?
Yes, no, what's so far? That's one
Sunday now.
Prepare your own secret room. Prepare your own secret room. Now, Premier. If you let me, you are mine. If you let me, you are mine.
So we jad dear. Me ba me problem now to be true.
Men are powerful. Now all power belongs to God. Now in times like this, you have to communicate with Him. On Bible said, "My ma bonini and ready fear." You have to be to Hannah. Her own was sad and worse. They said, "Nick Cranum cried the move fell serene." Bible so much come with some bomb pie because I feel no call. Quite when you do one issue. A bass was some catching the cruise of Monica. The Bible says, Hannah bomb pie shooting. So penny a light tea, you know. A year now, I could see that Ben because one knows so suffer. And yes, son of man more, name of Maria War, with the picture I saw them. It was very powerful. And I believe, sir. You may bow to a bar and you by mistake. Yeah, but yeah, 40 days fasting and prayer, and so don't believe me, Joe, and say, some program in Koreano, na Oshurakasa. Amen.
Nakite samba fua Beberiana makuna maseria sini penina Nakite samba fua Beberiana makuna maseria sini penina.
Oh, sister, do you know we in the name of Jesus. Oh, Father, I hide Mishi. Oh, that's all right. Oh, Jesus, I set her free. Ready? May release you angels.
But tiny swell, yeah, me but tiny swell.
Flat. Me too, me say what to say. Me most in our Hey, I'm your qua. I am no. We want to catch a national for Basonia Quasi. One to put us on the picture already. So, and a mission was you. I was watching the press in person. Was also in person.
Andy, future queen and I'm queen and down the road. She said, I wanted to be a dream. You said, if I never knew you, said that you. I have you. Come baby, I mean, just like come on. Yeah, I have for the first time with you. First time I'm here when you said, at least listen to say, I want to come on and say, oh, cry now, what you think can be. Yeah, I think ding. Look at it. I want to do it. Oh, don't you know what I'm smiling? Let me know. Just look at Kushes. You Jesus, one about.
Jesus.
One about. How come I said? Mighty name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus.
Yes, Lord. Yes.
Hello, Pastor Dan. I mean, Robert. But my wife, Anita, I work on. But you're more identity, some woman pipe. I am my friend, Pastor James, is on the line and on the line. I am busy. But your wife, Pastor, I made us say.
I love you.
The money can tell you, my Grammy, my little son, family.
What's up, your picky? Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Daddy. I didn't know me go. Why? You're going to go out there. Yeah. Before you go, we're going to get for the last time. For the last time. I'm coming. Arriba. There's no immediate feeling. She's always to me a power, no man, do it. How the pictures are in it. Or the day pee up and more. It didn't know to me out very sorry. Sika, car, and if you what the be up and more, the answer of pictures are in it.
Dear Grace said, why am you too tama?
Oh,
why is me? No managing us.
no continue because of you. So we not too much as surrender. No people are doing what they are really doing. Why? The world will come out. Let you know what's going on.
This is Ghana Movies TV. Subscribe our YouTube channel on Ghana Movies TV for your documentary, movies, television programs, and many more. Enjoy the show.
I'm going to give you enough authority that when you speak, it shall be established.
I am Lucifer, the prince of darkness, the controller of the universe. Today by authority, I empower you. Go and destroy. Go and antagonize. Go and kill.
This is Ghana Movies TV. Subscribe our YouTube channel on Ghana Movies TV for your documentary, movies, television programs, and many more. Enjoy the show.
Nakita. 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 Nakita.
The time the righteous one has given to me.
Your friends are very prayer. Who do purpose from your house? As some swatter, I feel who you can do not. I told me empire won't carry the moon when you run the castle. So, when I play the soba, and consider Ben on the cost one nonsense. Not so poor. And yes, son of man, no, I mean, you call it Sunday, nothing yes, yeah. Never my real national grassoma. And I believe for you, that's your barrenness. Shall we not in Jesus' name? Hallelujah.
Mommy, how to say?
You say what? I don't understand what you're saying.
Where are you going?
Why?
I want to apply your legs. Yeah. Okay. Wow.
Almost at hand. I cannot fold my hands and allow turns to happen. I am Lucifer, the king and the ruler, of the whole universe. Although I have powers, but a day shall come when my powers shall be powerless. Who shall I send onto the world? Who shall I send to win souls for me? For hellfire is not meant for us alone. Who shall I send?
Great one.
Are you ready for this assignment?
Great one.
Yes, Nakita. Nakita me smile. Now I call.